Looking at the Nifty pre-open rates, at least so far, it seems like it's going to be a little bit of a stable start with a marginal positive bias. But you know what? Better than our Asian counterparts for sure. But who knows what happens post-budget speech, which is going to be at 11 a.m. Let's see. Some amount of volatility surely is par for the course. The first rates then on your screen, fairly tempered. We're clinging on to that 24,567 odd level. The Nifty bank as well, fairly tempered. But I think the big cue is right here, the NSE advanced decline ratio, because we're well in the green, the hands. 1430 is the count that you're seeing to the green line with about 400 or to the decline. So the market breadth continues to be extremely buoyant. I want to talk about some of the big, movers and some of the new specific ones. Federal Bank, for instance, is going to be one such case in point. Remember, the RBI has given the go-ahead and the nod to appoint KV Subramanian as the MD and CEO. So this is going to be a new sensitive stock for sure. Oberoi Realty was a buzzer yesterday. They've planned multiple launches for the festive season as well. They're looking to launch a couple of new products as well. Suzlon, they came out with their numbers. The revenue has seen an uptick of about 50 basis points, margin expansion as well. Then, of course, you've got Sensex Technologies as well, wherein the dollar revenue has seen an uptick of about almost 4.25% coming in. But it's budget days, so let's bring up the budget-sensitive stocks. And Kunal was highlighting as to how ITC has been a gainer 9 out of 10 times in the previous budgets. So let's see what some of those big boys are up to. Holding up about almost $2 in the green. 468 is where that stock is right now. I can see M&M prop up a fair bit. There is anticipation that perhaps there's going to be higher rural allocation, and that's keeping some of these rural-focused plays fairly buoyant. M&M holding up now almost 1% in the green. There's Ultratech Cement as well, which has seen a recovery coming in. Eicher Motors as well, I can see holding out well. Let's see whether there's any respite coming in. Reliance was fairly beaten down along with Wipro yesterday. So is there any green? Just a little bit. It's latching on to that 3,000 level per share so far at least. That's, of course, Adani Power holding up a solid 2% in trade as we speak right now. I want to see what HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank as well are up to. Remember, Kotak also was the sour one after its numbers. HDFC Bank starts off a little bit in the red. Kotak holding up by about almost 0.5%. But largely, one would have to say it's pretty much a day like yesterday, Nikunj. It's a bit of a seesaw. You've got a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. But let's see, post 11 o'clock, post the budget, who actually has the lion's share, the bull or the bears.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.